Microsoft Teams has become the go-to collaboration platform for organizations. With more than 250 million monthly active users, Teams has grown tremendously and continues to add users due to the hybrid work movement. And Teams offers a variety of features to enhance collaboration, right? Organizations can use it for meetings, chat, or organize their project matters, whatever the organization may call it, into teams and channels. Those that leverage this last capability can also enhance external collaboration through Microsoft Teams. By organizing their projects into teams and channels and collaborating on documents together, organizations can invite clients, vendors, stakeholders to work together in those documents. This functionality contributes in strengthening relationships and communication with external users, and in many cases, providing enhanced service. But in trying to improve collaboration, many organizations face the challenge of security. So how can you ensure that external users are not accessing and peeking at those important internal information when they gain access to your Teams tenant? That's where consistent provisioning of external or guest users and zero trust security come in. Provisioning refers to the creation of Teams, channels, SharePoint sites, OneDrive folders, OneNote, Planner, lists, tabs, as well as internal and external users and groups. Without provisioning, users can haphazardly create different team structures and invite external users for collaboration, exposing the organization to risks of cyber attacks and privacy non-compliance. So the question boils down to how can organizations best leverage external user collaboration for Microsoft Teams? That's where technology comes in. Software solutions that allow provisioning and data protection, such as Prospera or CAM, can immensely help in mitigating data chaos and data protection concerns. Here are 4 steps on how you can go best about it. Step 1, provision projects, engagements, or matters in Teams. Initiate projects across collaboration systems, such as Teams and the document management system, by integrating source systems, such as CRM, project portfolio, human resource management systems, or through a human workflow when no record of system is detected. Provision with advanced templates and standardized naming conventions to easily create logical places so that users know where to save their data. Step 2, create private channels. When planning to invite external collaborators, you should think ahead about how to prevent them from accessing your sensitive information. Create private channels for internal-only discussions related to finance or other areas so external users won't be able to access them. Step 3, provision internal and external users with appropriate permissions. Now that the structure is created, enroll your internal or external users with role-based permissions and expiration dates. Add the appropriate users to the teams and channels they need to have access to and, watch the magic of collaboration happen. Step 4, recertify and remove access as necessary. Sometimes an external user needs to have access for only a short period of time, or only work in a single document. Once that collaboration is completed, access is no longer necessary for the person. So how should the organization go about it? Access recertification is key to figuring out if that user still needs access. If not, then access should be immediately removed. In that way, the organization reduces risks that the external user will access your sensitive information or that their access will be exploited by hackers that want to steal, delete information, or even hold it ransom over you. Prospera or CAM can do all that for you. CAM is a software-as-a-service platform for adoption and governance of collaboration systems. It enables project and relationship-based organizations to provision, classify, protect, move, and minimize data in order to improve adoption, mitigate data chaos, and reduce risk related to privacy and cybersecurity. So CAM allows organizations to create these logical places to save data so that end users can quickly locate, but also your risk management teams are able to understand the business context so that they can set the right security and data minimization policies. But let's take a look at a short demo as to how CAM provisions external users or guest users in Microsoft Teams. Here is our CAM application for Microsoft Teams. You can request a new team, channel, or ensure that correct access is provided for both internal and external collaborators. You can easily provision with custom rich metadata for client and matter ID, and on top of that, you can choose from one of the readily available templates to ensure that you're doing your best work in Teams. You can set the necessary team security for your invited guest user. And voila, you can now review all the information. For this requested team, there is an approval workflow ensuring that only approved users have access for this specific project. You can also check the status of requests and see when they have been approved. Under the Directory tab, you can find the pertinent team and channels created. In this case, the guest or external user invited has been approved to be part of the team, all while ensuring seamless external collaboration through Microsoft Teams. And there you have it, the most efficient way to provision and protect data for Microsoft Teams and other systems is through CAM. If you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel or schedule a consultation with us through our website.